Hey Adam, this is Amber from Local Leads Co. I spoke to you a few days ago and was given the okay to just send over this really quick screencast to you. So what I'll really be doing is I'm just going to be going over 3 areas in which you can scale and grow your business. Now, this is actually 3 things that you could do on your own to get more clients in the door as soon as today. So I wanted to just hop right in, provide you with these tools so you could get started with growing your business. So I have your website pulled up here. And overall, it's a pretty nice website. It definitely could use some updates in comparison with your competition, and I'll show you that once I get to it. But it looks like it's pretty short and sweet and to the point. Looks like you have some photos here. One area of opportunity I would recommend is just getting some more content on your front page, as well as your back pages. This is something that Google looks at when it comes to organically ranking your website and getting you in the top position of Google. So Google generally likes to see around 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page and around 750 words on your back pages. I have your top competitor pulled up here. They have quite a bit of content on their front page. So again, I would just recommend getting 100 or 1,000 to 1,500, if not more than they have, because of course you want to beat them in any area possible. Your second top competitor here, Ward's Air Conditioning, looks like they really don't have much content. They have quite a bit more photos, but I don't think they're quite at that 1,500 mark as far as their content is concerned. So again, that's just an area of opportunity for you, getting more words on your pages. And to go into that, you want to make sure you get good, credible keywords as well. It looks like you're not currently ranked for any keywords. What a keyword is, it's a highly searched word that your company would rank for. So for instance, I have your top competitor. It looks like they have a keyword. It's a pretty general keyword, AC repair in Lakeland, Florida. That gets about 100 searches a month. They're in that top position. So they're more than likely getting a majority of these people in their door just by that one keyword. And that's just one. So it continues to go on. They have air conditioning repair in Lakeland, Florida. That gets 150 searches a month. They're in that top position as well. And this just keeps going on and on. Of course, the more keywords you're ranked for in that top position, the better, because you're getting all of this traffic in your door. Your second top competitor, Ward's Air Conditioning, they're ranked also in the top position for air conditioning in Lakeland, Florida. So that's just an option, getting more content as well as incorporating these keywords within your content so you can get ranked high in Google. Anytime someone searches this, they'll see your website, not theirs. The next thing I wanted to go over with you is what's called backlinks. This is another thing that Google looks at when it comes to ranking your website. What a backlink is it's pretty much when a different website refers back to your site, which means it's pretty much giving your website credit. It looks like you have a total of 15 backlinks. All backlinks are created differently. It's good to have a lot of backlinks, but it's even more important to have good, credible links referring back to your website. For instance, you don't want spammy links referring back to your website because that will hurt you. You also don't want links that have nothing to do with your business or your service referring back to your site either. It looks like I said, you have 15 backlinks, and it looks like majority of these links are spammy. I can tell because of that DR right here. This DR tells me if your links are spammy or credible. In other words, if they have a lot of power. So if we go into your links, it looks like a lot of them are directories, which probably have to do with your citations. So we want to get you more credible links as well, just to build your site and get some more traffic to your website. Your top competitor here has over 1,000 backlinks, but again, this just goes to show you can have a lot of backlinks and still not have a lot of trust. So it's important, just as if not more important, to have those credible, good quality links. So they have pretty low trust. And then your second top competitor here, they have 154 backlinks and very low trust as well compared to the amount of power that they have. So just something to think about, getting yourself some good quality links to refer back to your website. And then the last thing I want to go over with you is what's called citations. What a citation is it's pretty much your name, your business name, address, and phone number blasted all over the internet in different social media platforms or directories, as you can see here. These are all of your citations. You have a total of 30. Your top competitor has 44, and your second top competitor has 24. So I generally, when I'm looking at it, like to double, if not triple, my top competitor just to make sure you are dominating them in this area. And again, that's just getting your name in different directories and things like that. So those were just a few things, a few areas I wanted to go over with you. Again, just to kind of recap, getting more content on your page and incorporating those keywords so your website can be found for those keywords, getting good quality backlinks to your website, and then lastly, getting a good amount of citations as well to get your business name out there. But overall, that was everything. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. If you would like to touch base with me, you can either email me back or give me a phone call. But that was all. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.